Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but it's much more than that. It plays a vital role in keeping your body strong, balanced, and resilient. One of its most important jobs is helping the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, the minerals that build and protect bones. Without enough vitamin D, bones can become weak, brittle, and more prone to fractures, leading to conditions like osteoporosis. But the benefits don't stop there. Vitamin D also acts like a hormone, influencing hundreds of processes throughout the body. It supports a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off infections and recover more effectively. It's also linked to mood regulation, with research showing that low vitamin D levels can increase the risk of depression and fatigue. Beyond mental health, vitamin D contributes to muscle strength, heart health, and even reduces the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and certain cancers. Since many people spend most of their time indoors or live in areas with limited sunlight, deficiency is extremely common. That's why maintaining healthy vitamin D levels through sunlight, diet, or supplements is essential. In short, vitamin D matters because it fuels the foundation of health, from bones and muscles to the immune system and the brain, making it one of the most important nutrients your body needs every single day. While some prefer to take it in the morning, taking vitamin D at night can offer powerful benefits because your body does its most important repair work while you sleep. Here's what you might notice. 1. Vitamin D helps in deeper, restful sleep. Vitamin D is widely recognized for its role in building strong bones and boosting immunity. But recent research shows that it also plays a surprising role in the quality of your sleep. One of the ways vitamin D supports better rest is by influencing the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. When your vitamin D levels are balanced, your body can more effectively control when you feel alert and when you feel sleepy, leading to more natural, restful sleep patterns. Low vitamin D levels, on the other hand, have been linked to sleep disorders, shorter sleep duration, and poor sleep quality. Beyond regulating melatonin, vitamin D also reduces inflammation in the body, which may ease discomfort and restlessness that often interfere with deep sleep. People with adequate vitamin D often report fewer nighttime awakenings, less daytime fatigue, and a greater sense of refreshment in the morning. Since quality sleep is the foundation of good health impacting memory, mood, energy, and even immunity, enough vitamin D through sunlight, food, or supplements could be one of the simplest steps toward a healthier, more restorative night's sleep. To stronger immunity overnight, vitamin D is more than just a bone-strengthening nutrient. It's a powerful supporter of the immune system, and taking it before bed can give your body a protective boost while you sleep. During nighttime rest, your immune system works its hardest, repairing tissues, producing infection-fighting cells, and strengthening defenses against bacteria and viruses. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in this process by activating key immune cells like T cells, which are responsible for identifying and attacking harmful invaders. Low vitamin D levels are linked to frequent colds, slower recovery from infections, and even greater susceptibility to chronic illnesses. By ensuring adequate levels of vitamin D, you allow your immune system to function at full capacity, especially during those critical nighttime hours when the body is in repair mode. This means fewer sick days, faster healing, and a stronger shield against seasonal illnesses. In short, taking vitamin D before bed supports stronger immunity overnight, helping you wake up not only well-rested, but also more resilient. 3. Better mood in the morning. Waking up with a positive mindset and steady energy often depends on more than just how long you sleep. It's also tied to your vitamin D levels. Vitamin D plays a direct role in brain health by influencing the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter often called the feel-good hormone. When serotonin levels are balanced, you're more likely to feel calm, focused, and optimistic as you start your day. Low vitamin D, on the other hand, has been strongly linked to mood swings, depression, and morning fatigue, making it harder to feel refreshed after a night's rest. By taking vitamin D before bed, you give your body the tools it needs to regulate mood-related chemicals during sleep, so you wake up clearer, calmer, and ready to face the day. Over time, maintaining healthy vitamin D levels can reduce the risk of seasonal affective disorder, SAD, and other mood-related conditions. Simply put, a small step like adding vitamin D to your nighttime routine can translate into a brighter outlook and a better mood every morning. For bone and muscle repair, vitamin D is essential, not only for building strong bones, but also for repairing your muscles while you sleep. This powerful nutrient helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus, the key minerals that keep bones dense and resilient. Without enough vitamin D, bones can become brittle, leading to a higher risk of fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. But the benefits go beyond bone strength. Vitamin D also supports muscle recovery by influencing protein synthesis and reducing inflammation, both of which are critical after daily activity or exercise. At night, when your body goes into repair mode, vitamin D works behind the scenes to heal tiny muscle tears, strengthen connective tissues, and keep your skeletal system stable. Adequate levels can help reduce aches, stiffness, and weakness, allowing you to wake up feeling stronger and more mobile. Over time, this protection is especially important for older adults, as maintaining bone density and muscle mass can significantly reduce the risk of falls and injuries. By ensuring proper vitamin D intake, you give your body the foundation it needs for continuous bone and muscle repair, leading to long-term strength and independence. 5. Long-term protection. Vitamin D isn't just about immediate benefits, like better sleep or stronger immunity. It's also a powerful investment in your long-term health. Adequate vitamin D levels have been linked to lower risks of serious chronic conditions, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain types of cancer. This is because vitamin D helps regulate inflammation, supports healthy blood vessels, and influences how cells grow and function. Over the years, these effects add up, protecting your body against the silent damage that leads to age-related diseases. For bones and muscles, consistent vitamin D intake prevents gradual loss of density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, fractures, and mobility problems in later life. For the brain, vitamin D supports cognitive health and may lower the likelihood of memory decline as you age. By taking vitamin D regularly, especially before bed, when the body is in repair and renewal mode, you are not just boosting daily wellness, but also creating a shield that guards your long-term vitality and independence. In short, this simple nutrient helps ensure that you don't just live longer, but healthier. And there you have it, one small step, one big impact. By simply taking vitamin D before bed, you can sleep deeper, strengthen your immunity, lift your mood, repair your bones and muscles, and even protect your long-term health. Sometimes the most powerful changes don't come from complicated routines, but from the simplest habits. So tonight, make that choice. Add vitamin D to your bedtime routine and see how it can change your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips that truly make a difference. Here's to a stronger, healthier you, starting tonight.